Hey everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, WYGO stands for when you get old. Alright, what you see here in front of me, or saw for a split second, is the damage I did on Prime Day. Yes, I was on a mini low buy. I think it lasted all of 5 weeks. And then Prime Day happened. So, yeah. This year I didn't just shop, hey, it's on sale. Do I need it? No, but it's on sale. And so I buy it? No. I tried to focus on products that I was intending to buy anyways or that I always go through and use. Also, this is not simply a beauty haul. There are some kitchen gadgets, items for the pets, other things. It's been almost 2 weeks that I can't remember. So let's dive in, unbox, and remind myself what it is I spent my money on. So maybe it hasn't been 2 weeks. Feels like 2 weeks. More like 10 days. What's today? July the 27th. I think I did the shopping on Wednesday the 17th. Yes, so it's been 10 days. And part of that is because Amazon, you claim you have 1, maybe 2 day shipping. I only got one of these boxes yesterday, so explain that one to me. All right, let's start with this first bag. And I am very curious if any of you shopped the sale this year, or were you better than I was and able to stay away? Oh, yay, I remember. Okay, so I took advantage of the sale. I always use cotton pads. So when I'm shopping, I always check, do they have anything that looks good and at a good price? And they did. This here is from, I'm not picking up a brand on here. Something will float on screen. This is a double effect cotton pad. I believe we get 200, 170. I don't know. It was a decent price. And what I didn't realize is it comes in a nice little plastic tub, which I can reuse. All right, let's see what else I got. Ooh, yes. Okay. This falls under the TMI category. Recently, I've switched from wearing normal bras with the eye hooks and, you know, to a kind of bralette. It's more like a stretchy, spandexy, comfortable t-shirt in the shape of a bra. You kind of pull it over your head. These were the ones I had previously purchased, and they were, I want to say 50% off. These were $7.60 or something along those lines each. So of course I had to pick up 3 of them. All right, we have a standard bubble wrap bag here. I love how they send 8,000 bags instead of just one big box. Ooh, yes. Okay, so these here are the Moroccan Magic Argan and Essential Oil Lip Balm. It's a 3-pack of the watermelon scent. I want to say I got one of these possibly in a Allure box, maybe an Ipsy. I can't remember, but I tried it, loved it. I love anything that's watermelon scented. It's not pink, it's just white. These are super comfortable, and the 3-pack is a really good deal. And plus add the discount of Prime Day, I had to stock up. All right, we have another plastic bubble wrap bag. Oh, yes. Now I remember. Okay, so this here is from GOODAL, and this is the Green Tangerine Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum. This is really good. This is my 3rd time purchasing this. It was recommended to me from Taylor Wynn. Yes, I do get influenced from Taylor quite frequently. It's really good. It's, I want to say full price is like $21. When it goes on sale, which is quite often, I'd say every 2 to 3 months, it's only $14. So when it's on sale, I snatch it up. All right, next, by the way, I started with the smallest package, and we're gonna move on up to the big box. Okay, this is a very non-exciting, oh no, I take it back. Half exciting, half embarrassing. Let's go with the embarrassing. So this here is from TERRO, and it's liquid ant bait. Yes, we've been having some ant issues in our kitchen, and of course, I haven't seen ants for the past 3 weeks now that I have the ant bait, but at least I'll be stocked up if and when I see another one on my countertop. This product, I am a sucker for following what everyone else is doing. So this is from TIRTIR. It's the Mask Fit Red Cushion Cream Pressed Little Compact Foundation. I got it in the shade 21 and Ivory. I was this close to getting the 23, and hopefully this isn't too late. If you haven't seen this, wow, I feel special because even I know about this and I live under a rock. This is, I want to say, Japanese, and is making all of the, you know, the Instagrams, the TikToks, none of which I do. But I was inspired, or one of my subscribers was like, you have to try this. So that is what I will do in a future video. By the way, it does come with a mirror and a little poof. I almost picked this up, but it was on a low buy. It was $25, which I thought was a decent price. But when I saw it on sale during Prime, yeah, $17, I figured it was a sign that I actually should go ahead and purchase it. All right, hang in there, almost done. This is a medium-sized box. Only 2 more to go after this one. Oh, yay! I was like, why is this box so heavy? So we have a 2-pack of the Not Your Mother's Texturizing Beach Babe Dry Shampoo. I love this brand. I love how it looks in my hair. I love how they smell. And you can't go wrong on Amazon with the 2-pack. And I can't remember if this was on sale or if it was something I needed to pick up anyways. But yes, I am now restocked on dry shampoo. Alright, this one is kind of a head scratcher. I think I know what it is, but knowing me, I'm sure I'm going to be wrong. It feels like it's in a box. Like a shoe box. I don't know, it's like a lip. No, there wasn't a lip. It did come in a box. What is this? Oh, yes. Okay, this is what I thought it was going to be. So, I did all my purchases, you know, put everything in my cart, and then I tell my husband, I'm like, hey, it's Prime Day. Do you need anything from Amazon? Do you need deodorant, socks, underwear, just anything that you just need to purchase? Let me see if they have it on Amazon during the sale. And of course he's like, no, not really, even though I know he does. But then he's like, well, why don't we get something for the dog? So then he suggested one of those like fancy water fountains. We've bought these in the past. They always break. The dog doesn't like them because he gets freaked out. But I caved because it was on sale. Anyways, this is what it looks like. It's much bigger than I thought. I hope he can use it. Supposedly, you put the water in there, you plug it in, or maybe this is Wi-Fi. I don't know. There's a charcoal type filter, and it just kind of recycles itself, but supposedly makes it all clean and sparkly. I have very low expectations that our dog will ever drink out of this, but if not, maybe my cats will. All right, last box. It's the big box, and hopefully this has everything because it's been 10 days and I just assumed everything should have arrived. Thank goodness, I almost filmed last weekend, but we were busy. And I'm glad I didn't because 2 other packages arrived this week. I would have been, you know, a little annoyed if I filmed it and then more packages arrived. Yay! Okay, I got more cat feeders. I have 2 cats. One cat eats on one side while the other. These I want to say were $1.29. I don't know. They were at a good price. And I thought I only got 3, but apparently I picked up 4. All right, here is the kitchen gadget. This is one of those meat thermometers. I want to say Taylor Wynn recommended, and I used her link. I've been wanting to get one of these for a while, and it was $7-ish, under $8. I don't know. It was a really good price during the Amazon Prime sale, so I thought, if ever I'm going to try one, now's the time. All right, the last item is a duo from the standpoint of I picked up 2 of the same item. I love this product, and it was on sale for only $4. That is the Under Eye Brightener from CATRICE. These are the 2 new ones. They normally retail on Amazon for $6. I got them for $4 each. And the reason is because I use this every day. I don't know if it'll pick up. I've actually hit the bottom of the pan on this one. So, you know, I could have waited, but by the time I wanted to restock, it wouldn't have been on sale, even though it's only $6. There's something about, it was $4, so I got two. Yeah, did I need to? No. Could I have gotten one? Sure. Did it make sense in my brain doing girl math that, oh, two is $8? That's only $2 more than buying one for $6. That's how it goes in my head when I'm shopping products on sale. But now I want to hear from you. Did you do any damage during the sale? Do you have better self-control than I do? Were you impressed that this wasn't all beauty related? I personally am. And honestly, all of these items were stuff I needed or wanted to buy regardless. So from that standpoint, I feel really, really good because the old me would have bought stuff just because it's on sale, even though I didn't need it. Trust me, there were a few makeup products that I really wanted, and I was disciplined enough to say, no, you already own 50 plus blushes. You don't need to try that one, even though it's on sale. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor, clicking on the thumbs up really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.